We came to Lebanon to see this. Lebanon has everything. Every time I come here, I discover something new. Each year doesn't feel the same without coming to Lebanon. It is the place where I come to recharge and feel new again.
You need to heal from inside. Come to Lebanon.
You're Lebanese?
You're living abroad?
It's time
To come and visit Lebanon.
حبك.
Right now we're walking along the river,
It's amazing.
and within half an hour, we're in the mountains.
From this way,
We found the source of the river.
amazing waterfall.
It's been 3 years of dreaming, and I'm finally back. It's safe.
I'm glad I'm here.
ولكل لبناني مغترب
بتردد زور لبنان
لبنان
ناطركم.
تعال على لبنان.